all walls on that one. And this is Gwiz. So first step is to download the DJI Fly app. You're going to get this remote control setup screen when you try to connect the device. Go to that, and once you have connected the drone and the controller together, you get an activation screen. Activate it so that it will download the firmware that's required in order to have it fly. And that's going to take about an hour. Just be patient. It'll be worth it. Enable its alert system, its sensor systems, and then press the Go Fly button after the firmware is done. Hello everyone, this is Gwiz. So to connect your Air2s drone, press the connection guide, and this actually is going to be the same interface for all of DJI's products. Click DJI Air2 and make sure that the drone is folded out and on and somewhat connected. To connect the device, hold down the button. It should make a sound. If it's past the point to where it's able to connect it, just press unable to connect and just do exactly what I did just there and hold down the button until it makes that noise. And it will pair. Now that we're paired up, we're connected. To take off, press the arrow button on the left-hand side of the screen. Hold the takeoff button.
Takeoff. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Back to me. A little lower now.
Landing.
Yeah, there we go. We can have it hover. Adjust the gimbal, which is the camera, facing me now. Okay, so now we're flying and we're recording. To land it, just press the land button.
Landing.
And it'll automatically go down. You can also manually land it just by holding the left trigger down, and then it will land automatically. You can even catch it in your hand. In fact, let's do that right now. Let's go up, take off.
Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map. Landing.
There we go. I'm using the knee as support. Bring it forward. It will not allow it to go forward because it's sensing me. So
landing.
there we go. Still looking at me. And let's do a takeoff.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.